New for model year 2026, this is the BMW X5 M60. What are your first impressions of this? Here's the sticker you can pause on to read this in detail. My takeaways here are that there is a $109,000 asking price on this. Let's see if we can quickly find the horsepower. Well, it's a 4.4 liter V8 paired to an 8-speed transmission. I always miss in a BMW compared to a Mercedes when they don't have the door controls for the seat. The controls are down on the seat. I like the way a Mercedes does it better, but... And there is no third row. This is a mid-size. If you want the third row, you have to get the X7. Sleek infotainment screen. And then the token iDrive. And that's interesting. It's like a crystal design. I don't really like that. I think that looks a little bit tacky. What do you think of that? This is almost the same as Mercedes. And is there a charging port down there? Yep, just like on the Mercedes, there's your USB port. And then I think there's also, oh, there's where you put the key, the card key. Anyways, put it in the comments. What do you think of the X5? Would you buy this? Would you use it as a daily driver?